Where to shower and use the bathroom, living in a van. First up, we have gym memberships. Many gyms offer showers and bathroom facilities to their members, making them a great option for van dwellers. Next, we have truck stops. They often have clean bathrooms and showers available for a small fee. Public facilities are another great choice. Parks, public pools, and other public spaces sometimes have showers and bathrooms available for use. Camping showers are also a popular option, especially if you're camping near a lake or river. So there you have it, folks. A variety of options to keep you clean and fresh while living in a van. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more awesome travel tips. Happy travels!